We made strawberry white chocolate cookies!
These delicious cookies are a recipe from Emmy Juju on TikTok, so make sure to check her feed for the full recipe.
For these cookies, you're going to need butter, eggs, vanilla extract,
white sugar and brown sugar. Of course, flour,
baking soda and baking powder,
white chocolate,
freeze-dried strawberries,
and Jello.
First, you're gonna melt some butter. We just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. Make sure to not over-melt the butter. You want it to be in liquid form, but still creamy.
Once your butter's done, you're gonna add brown sugar and white sugar. Whisk well until you get a nice caramelization. You want the butter to mix super well with the sugar until you get this nice golden mixture.
Next, you'll crack 4 eggs. 2 of them are going to be whole and 2 of them are going to be egg yolks. Make sure to mix the eggs well with the caramelized mixture.
Whisk, whisk, whisk!
Last, you'll add some vanilla extract to give it some flavor. Just about 2 teaspoons will do. We're almost done, I promise.
Gently fold in your flour.
It's really helpful to use a scale for even measuring. Next, you'll add baking soda, baking powder, and salt.
Gently blend until the flour is just incorporated. Over blending leads to tough cookies.
Now the secret ingredient for that extra strawberry flavor.
Jello!
Add a teaspoon or 2 to your liking. This is optional, but we also added a dab of pink food coloring for that strawberry color.
Now my favorite part, the white chocolate. You want to use a really good brand like Ghirardelli's.
Cut your white chocolate into small chunks. If you want to get the kids involved, use a kid-safe knife. Dash is using one with a guard.
Now my second favorite part, the freeze-dried strawberries.
We use freeze-dried because they don't add a lot of moisture, unlike fresh strawberries, but they still have all the great flavors.
Gently blend all the strawberries and chocolate together. Okay, this is a great arm workout too. Look at this colorful, yummy cookie dough.
Pro tip, you'll want to use an ice cream scoop for even, consistent sized cookies. Scoop them on a lined baking sheet and freeze them for at least 30 minutes so the dough can chill.
Don't forget to sneak some.
Oh, you silly Dash. After the cookies are chilled, bake them in the oven. Now this is an important step for good-looking cookies. You'll want to immediately add some freeze-dried strawberries on top. Make sure to not do this step before baking or else the strawberries will burn.
Don't ask us how we know. Hee 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 hee.
I know you want to grab one now, but it's important to let your cookies rest for at least 10 minutes.
Look at these gorgeous, beautiful, fluffy cookies. So thick and fluffy and full of white chocolate and strawberries.
These came out absolutely perfect looking and they remind me of strawberries and cream. The perfect summer cookie.
What's your favorite part about the cookie, Dash?
My favorite part about the cookie is the white chocolate and the cookie crust. It just goes so well together, even like a s'more.
Yeah. Do you think it's like a strawberry s'mores?
Yeah.
Yeah. You could see the little bits of strawberries inside and the dough is nice and thick. It's like this is a really hearty cookie. And you could just really taste the strawberry flavor. I think the Jello is a key to bringing out the strawberry flavor here. Cheers!
Let us know what cookie you want us to make next in the comments.
Thanks for watching!